how to set predefined messages. At the top right corner menu, select Settings. Then tap on Business Settings. At the bottom here, you see Messaging Tools. You can set a predefined message for away message and greeting message. So let's go ahead and set a greeting message first. Tap on Greeting Message and let's enable this by turning it on like this. So the message is right at the bottom here. This greeting message only works for new customers when they first message you, or existing customers who have not messaged you for the past 14 days, meaning that you did not have any communication with this customer via WhatsApp for the past 14 days. That's only when this greeting message will appear to your customer. Tap on the pencil to edit the message. Then if you're done, just tap on OK. So I'm just going to change this message and tap on OK. All right. And I can even change the recipients who will receive this message. I can tap on this to select if I want everybody to receive this message whenever they contact me, or I could select everyone who is not in my address book, or everyone except certain people on my address book, or only send to specific people. Just like how you use Facebook, remember? So now I'm just gonna set for everyone. Then tap on Save at the top right corner.